In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when you're refreshing your Instagram feed and then the error message pops up that says, sorry, we couldn't refresh. So there are a handful of things that you can try and do to resolve this issue. And the first one is that you want to make sure that you're not on airplane mode. So if I scroll down on the top of my screen, I'm going to make sure that I'm not on airplane mode. So as you can see, airplane mode is not on, so that's good to go. And on most phones, you can just swipe down from the top of the screen to make sure you're not on airplane mode. And then you also want to make sure that do not disturb is not on, because if you have airplane mode or do not disturb, it's not going to be able to refresh the feed. Then the next thing is that it's an obvious one, but you want to make sure that you're either on mobile data or that you're on a Wi-Fi network. If you're not on either one of those, you're not going to be able to connect to the internet, and then you will get that error when you try to refresh your Instagram feed. Then the next thing you can try and do is you can go to a website on your phone. So I'm just going to go to my browser, and then you want to go to isitdownrightnow.com. So search in the search bar of Google, is it down right now? Then tap on the first result. Then in the box, you just want to type Instagram. Once you've tapped Instagram, tap on the check button. For some reason, it defaulted back to Facebook. But you can scroll down to where it says top websites over there, and there it says Instagram there. If I make it at the top now, it says Instagram. Instagram is up. Check 9 minutes ago, so make sure Instagram is actually up, which it is most of the time. Then the next thing you can try and do is do a speed test of your device, of your internet connection. So if I go to google.com, then in the Google search bar, you just want to type in speed test. Tap on the first result. And then you want to go ahead and run the speed test and make sure that you're actually on a fast internet connection or a somewhat good internet connection, because that can also give you the error message. Then the next thing you can try and do is to clear your cache of your Instagram app. So on an Android device, you go to settings. Then you want to scroll down to where it says apps. Tap on apps. Then it says apps at the top. Tap on apps at the top. There you want to search for the app Instagram. So I'll just type Insta, it pops up. I tap on Instagram. Then you want to tap on storage. Then from this page, you can see at the bottom it says clear cache, 67 megabytes of cache. I can clear that cache. Now it's cleared, and I can go back to Instagram and make sure that I can refresh my feed, which I can, so that's good. And then the final thing you can try and do is to go to either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store on an Android device, search up Instagram, and then you want to make sure that you're running the latest version of Instagram. So if it says update there, make sure you update to the latest version. And if it says open, you're all good to go. So I hope one of these helped you to resolve the issue. If it did, drop a comment down below. And if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.